Hello, hello. Welcome back. Let's pick an animal card and see what we get today. Dolphin, play. Swim in the happy joy of living. Inhale confidence and exhale fear. Dive into your wisdom. Go with the flow. All right, which item has our quotes today? Be the nonsense you want to see in the world. How cute. Why blame your body? You are not meant to fit into your clothes. Clothes are meant to fit on to you. I love that one. You don't need to explain your situation or your choices. Oh yeah. When you hear only what you want to hear, you're not really listening. Do you agree? You only need to be right one time to change your life forever. Last one today. Actions reveal why words hold no weight. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.